just taking care of Christian's boat here. So in order to get closer, I'm going to pull in this line and then I might be able to cross this gap. Right, so this is Christian's boat. We're looking after it for a small fee, and it's an Elan 345. I had to look over the side just to be sure. French boat, yeah, French boat. Tiller steering, so if you can see, some nice teak works, really nice little boat. And yeah, so like I said, we're taking care of it, just reinforced the lines, and I saw this boat was a bit too close for comfort, so we fendered this out. And we're just taking care of it, just let the engine run once in a while, air it out, which I'm going to do today because it's a wonderful day, and just get all the, you know, humidity, if there is, and all the moist and damp whatever is in there, let it out. It shouldn't be in there because we breathe regularly, so just gonna put you down. Of course, so is the last key. This is from the inside, really cozy little boat, and two aft cabins, one here, nav station, you got your saloon of course, and you got the head here on port side, and the V-berth or the bow cabin. So let's air it out a little bit. Oh, this outboard is there for a reason, by the way. It's just to protect it for the elements more, so I put it inside, and his dinghy as well, and he's pretty sorted for the winter. As long as we keep an eye on it, everything will be good. The voltage reads 12.3, which is okay, which is really good. So as long as it doesn't go below that, your batteries are just randy dandy. It's a beautiful Saturday today, and we're going over to Rio de Paleiro, this afternoon, which is way over there. So of course we'll take you along. So this is our mission, our pilgrimage towards Rio de Paleiro. We're going to say goodbye to him because they're going to close down for winter. We've been walking for 3 days straight, are we not? So,
smell everyone.
Oh man, we ran out of water, so everybody's drinking their own urine. And
you need to survive.
Yeah, I sent out a mayday, but it's Saturday, so nobody's going to show up. We just have to struggle through there. Because Paleiros is way over there, and where we're going is way over there.
So you guys still okay? You guys are still surviving?
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. Dying of thirst.
Yeah.
Oh, me too.
It's worth it.
It's worth it. Yeah, you become religious on this trail.
No, you won't like that.
Oggie whiskey. Oggie whiskey. Oggie malaka.
Have you finished and I'll take you back?
Yeah, yes, we have. Yeah. Good. Yeah, good idea. Down, Will. Get down.
Down, boy.
Alright. Okay. That was very close to me not having children.
2 beers? You want to pay 2 beers? we meegaan dan.
Dave's leaving us and he's supposed to take care of us. Bastard, why didn't you tell us that before?
What?
Well, let's have one more drink and then we'll go with you. Oh shit, we're on our own.
Last een halve liter dan en dan naar huis ook.
Last liter, yeah.
En dan naar huis. Yes, yes, good.
Yeah, we'll have 3 bottles of that. Hi guys, we just reached 2,000 viewers for one particular video. Can I have a cheers for sailing SV Mutiny? I got that's a goddamn camera.
Look at him now. Like he's one of us, like he's been here forever. Look at him. Alright, yeah, ups and downs. But we're all friends.
Morning. So the rudder issue continues, and today I'm just going to let me start from the beginning. So it got worse, the white residue on the end of our skeg. It's actually the skeg, and I sent some emails to Oyster itself to ask if that is what material it is made of, and also some other owners with the Oyster Marine 34, because as you know, we didn't have a lot of information when we bought the boat. We just bought her as she was, but without plans and diagrams and things. So that's a bit hard. Anyhow, we put it online with the pictures, and people had really worried reactions, and some even said we might lose our rudder, which would be horrible, of course. And people said haul it out and investigate it, but we can't because it's probably about a stray current, and which I will explain later. And so today we're gonna test all our DC connections to see if there's any leakage over there which can directly affect our skeg rudder. If it's not bonded and if it's leaking there, it will go into the water and it will become this white stuff which is on it now. If that's the case, if it is, if it's not bonded, if it's bonded, then there should be another reason. So today we're going to clean all connections and connect them again, and hang out an anode at the back with a metal piece of string to the earth so it doesn't get worse. That's the plan for now.
Right, so we started locating the problem. The first thing that we did is take the cover off, as you can see, and we noticed that there is a little grounding cable here, and I started pulling on it to see where it's attached to. When I started pulling on it, it just gave away, it just broke, so it's heavily corroded, as you can tell. It's just brittle. So my conclusion was, since this is not connected to the grounding, that might be the entire situation. So hopefully, so we went up to the hardware store, got a new, it's a wire, which is actually just this one right here, but it came in threes with a blue wire and a black wire as well. So I stripped it off this insulation and started re-insulating it, if that's a word, and I'm gonna now reconnect the grounding wire and hopefully that's it. Okay.
So far, did you tell him already
No!
what you've done?
Yeah, I did tell you what I done.
Okay.
Well, this is what we just noticed.
So bad. So basically on the bottom floor, the sea floor, there's all the white stuff that was on our skeg. But we also turned our steering, well, the rudder left and right, so maybe that might be why it dropped off, but I hope it's very good. I don't see any bubbles anymore as well, so might be okay.
Thing is,
Let's just have a look.
it's not.
Show you guys.
It's not. How do you call that? There's no cohesion anymore. So now it's grounded.
Corrosion.
Yeah. So it's supposed to. What's the word I'm looking for?
Not sure if you can see this. So let's just think it's fixed, and there's no bubbles coming from it. And the bubbles would probably only come because it would be badly grounded and there would be, well, stray current going through there. So now we hopefully solved it. There's no more stray current, which also means that the ionized parts, which is the white stuff, would drop off.
It's gonna go.
So we also had the advice of, well, some people, we posted it on Facebook, the white stuff on the rudder, and some people said that it might be marine growth,
Yeah.
because the one side looked like a tree almost. And some person said put some vinegar on it, and if it fizzes and dissolves,
Yeah.
then
Then it's marine.
yes. So let's see.
So let's see. Yeah. All right. So what you got? Apple cider vinegar. This is
Yeah.
the stuff that just came off our rudder. All right. Can you see?
No. So no marine
fizz.
growth.
So no marine.
Mm.
So I'm just thinking this might be salt.
Carbonate.
Yeah.
Something. That's what another person told as well from the Facebook site. Oh, excuse me. That
I think it's cocaine.
no,
No?
you would have noticed that, you know.
Yeah.
But any
there are no
fa-
fish around.
We don't know about the damage yet, so I'll go in later and check.
So here's Pete teaching us actually how to coil up the rope after years of sailing. We finally got to know what the elephant ears.